2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.